all. We've been spending some time in Waterford, Connecticut looking at the new Kmap site, which is the old mappers, and there's definitely been some awesome improvements. I love the format. We love the format. But we had a couple questions. So if I have a student who's taken the winter map and they, let's just say, are in the area of 220 to 223 for geometry, and I want to focus on this area for that learner. If I go into geometry, I can see that all of the skills are aligned to that range and map, which is fantastic. However, I can't assign all of these skills at one time to my learner. It looks like, so if I click on geometry, I can't assign it, but if I go back and I only do areas of parallelograms, and I do that one skill, then I can assign it. So I guess my request would be that it would be wonderful if we could assign for the entire set of skills in geometry at this level rather than each individual skill. My other request would be that if I was going to assign this, that I didn't have to only select. So if I select this class, I can select all or some of the students in the class. But if I select more than one class, that student gets grayed out. And I'm wondering if this field could populate for more than one class at one time. I think that would be a fantastic feature. An alternative to that would be that if we went over to courses and each set of ranges, so geometry 220 to 223, could actually be a course in this area, and we could add that course to each class, and that might make assigning it easier. So anyway, that's food for thought, and I just thought I would provide a little feedback to try to see if we could start providing some intervention for our struggling learners. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day.